In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Notepad on a Windows computer using the search feature. A quick and straightforward way to get started with one of the most basic and essential applications available on your Windows machine. Notepad is an incredibly handy tool for taking quick notes, drafting text documents, and even writing code. Let's dive into it. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the Windows search bar. This is typically found on your taskbar, which is the strip that runs across the bottom of your desktop screen. The search bar is a very versatile feature, allowing you to quickly search for applications, files, and settings on your computer. It's your gateway to easily finding what you need without having to click through multiple menus. Once you've found the search bar, simply click on it. You'll notice that once you click into the bar, it's immediately ready for you to start typing. This is a helpful feature because it speeds up your search process. Now go ahead and type in Notepad. As you begin typing, you might notice that search suggestions start appearing below the search bar. These suggestions are meant to speed up your process even more, as they predict what you're looking for based on what you've typed so far. Once you see Notepad appear in the list of search results, select it. Clicking on Notepad in the search results is all you need to do to open the application. This method is especially useful if you don't have a shortcut to Notepad already pinned to your taskbar or desktop. Now that Notepad is open, you are ready to use this simple yet effective tool for a variety of tasks. Whether you need to jot down a quick note, draft an idea for a project, or even start writing some code, Notepad is a versatile application that's always ready to use. Because it opens quickly and operates without frills, it's perfect for when you need a blank slate without any distractions. That's it. You've successfully opened Notepad using the Windows search feature. Remember, this method can be used for any other application you're looking for on your computer, making it a handy trick to have up your sleeve. If you're new to using Windows, practicing this search method will help you become more efficient and comfortable navigating through your system. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial simple and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next video.